We're the new neighbors.
No neighbors.
I'm Flurg.
Mimi.
Rainbow.
We just moved in next door.
We're the new neighbors.
And we've never been to a kid park before.
We've played with Furzel monsters.
Grooves and flying snurks.
But we've never played with kids and we don't know how it works.
Can they change colors?
Do they have rows and rows of spikes?
Do they have to stay up late to comb their beard gnomes out at night?
Are they orange and scaly?
Do they fly?
Do they have a bunch of tentacles and one giant eye? Like our Buppy?
Hi, Buppy.
Hi, Boppy.
Hi, honeys. Any kids at the park yet?
Not yet.
Not yet, Boppy.
Wait. Wow, here comes some now.
Hello.
These kids are not at all like what I thought they'd be. They aren't big, they aren't tall, they're not at all like me.
No tail, stripes, wings, spikes, giant googly eyes.
I was feeling excited, but now I just feel shy.
Hi! It's okay to be shy. Sometimes when I'm new, I get shy too.
This is my monster. My monster's name is Jim. If you're feeling too shy to say hi to me, you could say hi to him. Roar!
Jim has scales and googly eyes.
And you know how to roar.
And you have a fuzzy stripy vest I didn't see before. I'm Flurg.
Mimi.
Rainbow.
We just moved in next door.
We're the new neighbors.
And we've never played with kids before.
I'm Ernest.
And I'm Monty. We live right next to you. We've never played with monsters, but we'd love to play with you.
We're new neighbors.
New neighbors?
New neighbors.
New neighbors. Woohoo!
Yay! Yay!
Hey, where does that sign keep coming from?